I am Praveen Kumar, JEE mathematics lecturer. So today I am going to solve a single problem on limits. So the problem is like this: evaluate 10 raised to x minus 2 raised to x minus 5 raised to x plus 1 and divided by x into tan x. Limit x tends to 0. So first of all, check the form. I mean, put x is equal to 0 in that function. So let us say what will happen. Uh, 10 raised to 0, okay, 2 raised to 0, 5 raised to 0, it becomes 1 minus 1, okay. 10 raised to 0 means 1, 2 raised to 0 means minus 1, 5 raised to 0 means 1, 1 minus 1 plus 1, it becomes 0. Here in the denominator also there is a x into tan x, it is what, 0 into 0, so it is in the form of 0 by 0, 0 by 0 form. So in this form, okay, whenever 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity form, so we can use L'Hopital's rules, okay. But today I am not going to use this L'Hopital's rule. I will use some standard forms to solve this problem, okay. So I will do a problem like this, just watch it, okay. So the limit x tends to 0, okay. So 10 raised to x, there is a 10 raised to x, so I will do it as a 5 into 2 whole raised to x minus 2 raised to x minus 5 raised to x plus 1 divided by x into tan x. After this one, limit x tends to 0, so I make it as a 5 raised to x into 2 raised to x minus 2 raised to x minus 5 raised to x plus 1 divided by x into tan x, okay. So now limit x tends to 0, so take 2 raised to x common in this two terms, so here 2 raised to x, okay. So 5 raised to x minus 1, I took a 2 raised to x as a common. Here I will take 1 as a minus 1 as a common, so what will left there, 5x minus 1 divided by x into tan x, okay. Again limit x tends to 0, okay. So there is a 5 raised to x minus 1, 5 raised to x minus 1 as a common, so take 5 raised to x minus 1 as a common, okay. So here it becomes 2 raised to x minus 1 divided by x into tan x, okay. Now limit x tends to 0, okay. So make it like this, 5 raised to x minus 1 divided by x, okay. So 2 raised to x minus 1 divided by x. So to compensate this x, so multiply x in the numerator divided by x into x divided by tan x, okay. So we know that limit x tends to 0, okay, a raised to x minus 1 by x is equal to log of a to the base e, okay, log of a to the base e, log of a to the base e. So this is a standard form, okay, use this one. So here just see here, a raised to x, 5 raised to x, okay, x here, so we can write it as a log a to the base e. So here in the place of a there is a 5, so I can directly write, okay, log 5 to the base e into log of, so here it also same, this standard form you can apply, log of 2 to the base e. Here this is also standard form, x by tan x, so we'll get a 1 here. So totally, so the answer becomes, okay, log of 5 to the base e into log of 2 to the base e. So we can write it as a log of 7 to the base e. We know that log of m into log of n is equal to log of m plus n. So I applied here. So thank you so much. If you want to more problems like this, just watch this video and subscribe to this channel and like it. If you want any doubts, so just comment on this comment box. Thank you so much.